back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious instant noodles at home. This is the instant noodles that we're making today. It's rice noodles, my most favorite instant noodle since I was little. Just in case if you guys are curious about where I got this instant noodle, so I got this instant noodles from 99 Ranch Market, or you could also get it through their mobile app. Alright, let's get started. I'm a cute boy. Alright, are you ready? Am I ready? Yes. I got you some cabbage. Whoa! Whoa! That was so fast. More cabbage. Some corn. Chopsticks, right? More corn. Here you go, buddy. It's right here. It's right here. This is the last piece for this video. A piece of shrimp. Wow. You ready for this? It's like I'm always ready. Thank you. Say thank you guys for watching. Woof woof. Alright, thank you, buddy. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to keep